Hey, hey guys, welcome back. And how are you? Is everything fine? Let me explain today's session. सुपर फास्ट चलेंगे आज बहुत ही इसी स्पीड के साथ जिससे कि सब चीज़ मेंटेन हो जाएगा, ठीक है ना? ना सी दिस मेंटल वेल बीइंग सी दिस Naikan, the Japanese self-reflection method that may improve mental well-being. Naikan, a structured self-reflection method from Japan, is gaining popularity for its potential to enhance mental well-being, relationship, and resilience. It involves three questions that promoted reflection on relationship, gratitude, and personal responsibility. While research is ongoing, Naikan may improve gratitude, self-awareness, and relationship. See, see this. What is this? Chess. Magnus Carlsen. Carlsen is the star of esports World Cup, but Indian challenge strong. Magnus Carlsen, the world's greatest chess player, is now focusing on esports after winning every major title in his career. He will defend his esports World Cup title in 2026 as the global brand ambassador. His main rival Hiraku Hiraku Hikaru Nakamura will also complete, but Carlsen's ability to excel under pressure gives him an advantage. India will have four participants in this event. Oh, bhai sahab. Amendment to FCRA aimed at bringing in more transparency. India's US envoy. India's ambassador to the US, Vinay Mohan Kawatra addressed concern, concerns over the amendments to the Foreign Contribution Regulation Act on social media. He stated that the amendment aimed to bring transparency and that regulating foreign financial flows is a sovereign step for national security. He also classified that the FCRA applies to all organizations regardless of religions. Oh, bhai sahab. Not religion, yes. Now see this. PV Sindhu on viral video of Langur Mimi cry. Artist, you have to love the efforts. PV Sindhu precise organizers' efforts to keep away animals at BWF World Championship in Delhi, where trained humans mimics language to repel monkey language were previously used for this purpose but banned in 2012 2012. Okay, the unique unique solution comes after money not monkeys distributed the India Open in January. The stadium has been given a makeover to prevent similar incident. Ram Gopal Verma next title police company squad that killed 300 gangsters in 7 years. Oh bhai sahab. Sahana Goswami recalls breakup with 21st years older Milind Shoman oh bhai sahab. Fresh secretary on Rohingya settlements as center reviews Jammu and Kashmir demography. A central committee led by retired Justice Prakash Prabhakar Navalkar has arrived in Jammu and Kashmir to assess reports of unnatural demographic changes and potential security threat. The committee will investigate border area with unreported settlements following Prime Minister Narendra Modi's announcement of a mission to address illegal infiltration. Oh, bhai sir. Poonam Dhillon breaks silence as 8 Sinta members resign vulgar offensive allegations. Oh, bhai sir. Langar mimicry artists employed for Badminton World Cup. Not Cup. The upcoming BWF World Championship in India will use innovative methods to keep animals away, such as a patented machine, slippery gel, and trained humans mimicking langar sounds. 4 men have been hired to repel monkey and upgrades have been made to address potential issues. The event is well prepared to ensure a smooth and animals-free competition. Jeff Bezos, part of Amit Bhatia's construction trying to buy Lifewood. Pondicherry courts face FIR after cricketer alleges he attacked players. A judicial magistrate in Pondicherry has directed the police to register an FIR against an under-19 coach who was illegally attacked by 3 local cricketers. The coach, S. Venkataraman, claimed that the players attacked him because they were not selected. Format: the Asmat squad. The players have also filed a complaint against the coach. Commitments must have preference over sleep. Float Amitabh Bachchan. Amitabh Bachchan, one of the most consistent things on the internet for close to 2 decades, recently addressed the gap in his blog, a post apologizing for the irregularity. The reason behind this was his grueling schedule for the preparation and shooting of Kaun Banega Crorepati Season 8. Oh bhai sahab. For people to pay forward the truth about their impact on blood sugar, diabetes, or pre-diabetes can be affected by small additions to meal like pickle, papad, pickles, papad, and chutneys. See this figure. Pickled papad and chutneys. The their impact on glucose control depends on irregular preparation method and potential size. Hunger and formation can be delay genetic impacting, while fiber rich and spicy get slow. Oh, see this. What is this? From pickle to purple cities, many people are diabetes or pre-diabetes until to stop water rich, rice and weight depression, but smell a supplement. Yeah, you see this guys. I think the answer, however, may not be as straightforward as the labelity so good or for bad. How to pickle pepper and chilies affected blood sugar. Kanika Manotra consult diet and diabetes educated express. So see this reason behind this. The added and the honest answer condition are not what make some condition better than each. I think you got the point. What is this? Okay. Okay. Now I am going to ending this session because every session is most important. Okay. Okay then guys, कैसा लगा session? Telling me on comment section because every session is most important and most powerful. Okay, see you. Bye bye, Tata.